I have automated my Shopify to upload the pictures, price settings, everything, whatever the details, right? So I want to update it. Example, there's the title, descriptions, and images, category, vendor, collections. So all I want to update at one shot by using automation. So that's what I have written script in Python. Okay. So this is my script which does everything. Okay. Even if it is a duplicate, then it will find the duplicate and it will not update the record. So that's what I'm going to explain. If you want to contact me for your project or for your work, you can contact me. I'll be providing my email ID in the description, so you can contact me. Friends, this is my script. Okay. If I run this script, right, what it will do, it will collect all the information from the Excel sheet. I have this Excel data. Okay. I need to update I need to update it. Okay. I need to update the title. This is the title. I need to update it. And these are the data it's going to fetch it. So here itself I can update the pricing and SQ. I'm updating for my reference because it will find duplicate records. Automatically it will be eliminating that row. So once done, right, I need to save and close it. Save and close it. Everything I'm using open source only. Okay. This is my existing product. I just want to update that images. So I'm clicking on these files. So here we need to, already I saved because this is the files I'm going to update it. You can use Excel or you can use a code editor. So now I need to paste the images. I'm going to drop files. So if you refresh, you can see that the latest one. Yes. So these are the file details I need to give. So I'm going to copy the link. So here is the copy link. You can give it in Excel. So this is the image URL. You need to give it. These are the test data we have to give it. So just verify, okay, whether you have provided the right URL for the right images and the right product. Okay, that's it, friends. Now it's said, I'm saving it, closing it. Now I'm going to run the script and the products. In the Excel sheet, I have 5 products to update. So I'm going to run the script, run it. So here itself you can see the informations. So product is created. Super cool. It's very easy. Okay. You need not to, you can upload more than 100 at the same time. See, we started at 1240 for 5 products. It will be taking around 30 seconds or 40 seconds. That's it. Even 1240 is not ended. Super cool. That's why, friends, it's successfully updated. Now I'm going to refresh this page to verify. Wow, totally 5 products updated. It's cool, right? So when you click on that, right, you can verify everything. So even, right, if your product is having charge tax, that also you can enable it if you want, but everything you can do automated. So I can work for you, friends. If you want me to contact, my email ID is vkfuntainment@gmail.com. You can contact me in WhatsApp. So that's it, friends. Definitely this video will be very much helpful. Bye, friends. Take care.